Marami ang tila na-touch sa mensahe ng international at Hollywood actress na si Dali De Leon. Ayon sa kanya, habang nalalapit ang pagtatapos ng shoot ng kanilang movie na A Very Good Girl kasama ang box office actress na si Catherine Bernardo, aminado si Dali na masaya siyang nakilala ang young actress. Narito ang kanyang naging pahayag. My very good girl, we're about to reach the finish line of this insane journey and the sepangs is slowly creeping in, so before our film hits the world, let me thank you for being there for me. Always looking out for me, supporting me in any projects. A little birdie told me about the black screening of E.T. Ikaw talaga. For being inclusive and making me feel comfortable in situations I'm not used to. For making me laugh and for just being your crazy little you. Sa bandang huli ay sinabi ni Dali na marami siyang na-discover sa paggawa ng pelikula with Catherine, pero ang tila lalo siyang namangha ay ang makilala niyang aktres ng personal. Many things are good and great about our film, but you were the best surprise of them all. Thank you, Kath. Forever an honor, forever on your side. Alam mo yan, love you to the moon and back. Napareact naman sina Maha Salvador at Isa Calzado na nagbigay ng 3 hearts sa post ni Dali De Leon. Nagpasalamat din ang Solid Katniel kay Dali at sinabi ang ganito. Thank you for loving our queen, Miss T. We love you both, hoping for more Kat Holy projects in the future. Samantala, umaasa naman ang mga netizen na magiging blockbuster din ang nasabing pelikula.